Have you got a cat? Do you have a cat? Has he got a dog? Does he have a dog? Now, what is going on here? These are all the same meanings. In English, there are two verbs that have one and the same meaning. Have got, have. They both mean possess. Have you got a car? Do you have a car? I have got a car. I have a car. I haven't got a car. I don't have a car. Now let's see why there are two verbs. There is no definite answer, but you should keep in mind that there are two verbs that have one and the same meaning, but we use them differently. Have got is used to show possession, and it is used only, we use it only in present simple. I have got, you have got, he has got, she has got, it has got, and the plural, we have got, you have got, they have got. The interrogative form here is have you got, has he got, etc., etc. And the negative form is I haven't got, you haven't got, she hasn't got, and so on and so forth. So with have got, there is no do, there is no does, no auxiliaries, and have got is used only in present tense. There is no present continuous of have got. So have got is used only in present simple. On the other hand, the verb have behaves like all other verbs. This means the following. I have a car. You have a car. He has a car. She has a car. It has a car. The plural. We have a car. You have a car. They have a car. So the infinitive is used in all persons except for he, she, it. Here the infinitive is a bit changed into has. He has, she has, it has. The interrogative form. Do I have a car? Do I have? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Does he have a car? Does he have a car? Does she have a car? Does she have a car? Does it have a car? Does it have a car? So the interrogative form is formed as with all other verbs. Do, does. Does for the third person singular. And note that we do not say does he has. We say does he have. Does signifies it's the third person singular. After the subject we use have. Does he have? Does she have? Not does he has, does she has. And the negative form. I do not have a car, or I don't have a car. You do not have a car, or you don't have a car. He does not have a car, or he doesn't have a car. She does not have a car, or she doesn't have a car. It does not have a car, or it doesn't have a car. We, you, they do not have a car, or we don't have a car, you don't have a car, they don't have a car. The verb have in present continuous is used primarily or most often in expressions. For example, what are you having for breakfast? I'm having breakfast now. What are you having for lunch? I'm having lunch now. What are you having for dinner? I'm having dinner now. These are all expressions: to have breakfast, to have lunch, to have dinner. You can use the verb have in all the tenses. We can use it in present simple. I usually have coffee for breakfast. I usually have steak for lunch. I usually have a pizza for dinner. Or in present continuous, I'm having breakfast now. I'm eating the toast. I'm having lunch now. I'm eating soup. I'm having dinner now. I'm eating spaghetti. Or, are you having a good time? Yes, we are having a good time. This is also an expression when we use have in present continuous. They are not having a good time. We are having a good time. He is having a great time.